Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's topic is on 歇后语. 歇后语 is a two-part allegorical saying. The saying consists of two parts. The first part is like a riddle, mostly metaphorical. And the second part is the answer, providing the actual meaning to the riddle. The 歇后语 we are learning is 猫哭耗子假慈悲 which means cat crying over a rat. Fake mercy in English. This saying originated from a book, 说唐, chapter 62. 典故 the allusion of cat crying over a rat. The allusions will be read in Chinese, followed by the explanation of the vocabularies in English. 猫捉老鼠，老鼠是猫的食物，老鼠死了，猫怎么会哭呢？这肯定是装出来的。猫哭老鼠是形容假装慈悲，假装同情，因此它的后半句是假慈悲，用来形容为了达到目的，假装可怜，博取他人的同情。猫捉老鼠，老鼠是猫的食物，老鼠死了，猫怎么会哭呢？这肯定是装出来的。猫哭老鼠是形容假装慈悲，假装同情，因此它的后半句是假慈悲，用来形容为了达到目的，假装可怜，博取他人的同情。New words 新词语猫 cat 捉老鼠 to catch a rat or mouse 食物 food 死 to die 怎么会 how could it be 哭 to cry 肯定 definitely or surely 装出来 pretend 形容 describe 假装 pretend 慈悲 mercy 同情 pity or compassion 因此 therefore 后半句 latter half of a sentence 达到目的 achieve one's purpose 可怜 pitiful 博取 to try to obtain 他人 other people. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。